distinguished speakers, my friends, volunteers, and my community members at large, Namaskar. At the very outset, I would like to congratulate the organizers, the volunteer team who have arranged today's program worldwide. And this program, what has become a ritual sort of thing for us, we celebrate it 14th of September every year as Martyrs Day or Baldan Divas. By organizing this Martyrs Day, our volunteer team, our organizations and organizers are basically reminding all the civilized people of the world about our genocide that took place about 25 years back in Kashmir. I really feel honored for being included in the distinguished panel of speakers. I'm not an academician, I'm not an expert on terrorism or counterterrorism, but my only qualification to speak to you today is that I am son of the soil, person from Srinagar who was born and brought up there. Very unfortunately, our genocide has remained the most unreported and underreported during our times for last 25 years. Not only the world has kept quiet, but our own successive governments in India, in the state and federal governments have kept silent. Not even a single government in last 25 years have even made an attempt to reverse our ethnic cleansing. But for the first time, we see ray of hope. We see ray of hope in Prime Minister Modi, and we are very sure that he is not going to disappoint us like his other governments did to us for last 25 years. It's mind-boggling to think that our expulsion from the valley became a priority for Pakistani trained jihadis and were thrown out violently. But what bothers me is that I have never understood the fact why the successive governments kept quiet for the last 25 years. They did not even make an attempt to reverse the ethnic cleansing. In fact, I would go a step further and say that our expulsion was accepted with impunity by the powers that be. Now, as we see, every part of our glorious history is being wiped off from Kashmir. It's so shameful when I see some of the newspapers mentioning and calling Shankaracharya temple as Kohe Suleiman, Srinagar city being called a Shahr-e-Khas. But my dear friends, I think while paying homage to our martyrs who sacrificed their lives for our future, we must also not forget the people. We must thank these people who came to our rescue, basically who did their best so that we do not become an extinct species of this world. And in this, few names that come to my mind, one is the great Indian patriot, late Balasaheb Thackeray, Governor Jagmohan. If it was not for these wonderful people, we would have been wiped off, and that looks like the intention of the jihadis. Today, all of us should take a solemn pledge that we must stay united. We must stay united for the cause of our homeland, which is yet to be created. We want to make sure that Margadarshan 1991 resolution is fully implemented, and we don't allow some to compromise or dilute this Margadarshan resolution in any which way. We do deserve to live in peace. We will be apprising Prime Minister Modi about our demands, about the need of our own homeland while he is visiting here in USA end of this month. And of course, we are going to keep you informed about the happenings. On behalf of Kashmiri Hindu Foundation, Kashmiri Hindu Foundation, by the way, is a non-profit tax-exempt organization in United States. I want to assure all of us our community at large, that our commitment to help in saving the glorious heritage, age-old heritage, and preserving our unique culture stands. We will do whatever it takes to help our brethren in need. In fact, some time back, I would like to share with you that Kashmiri Hindu Foundation did come up with a proposal of establishing a Kashmiri Pandit Holocaust Museum here in the state of California, United States. We'll keep you informed, and my thanks to the organizers for giving me a chance to speak to you from Los Angeles, US. And thanks a lot to all of you. Stay united, stay focused, and one day we are going to be achieving the homeland under our own Margadarshan resolution of 1991. Thanks again and namaskar.